Morning, guys. Here I come up with some simple breakfast in the morning. When you're a food blogger, you have to be careful what you eat. So I cut some mango up. I put the jelly overnight to set. So we're going to have jelly, mango, and chia seed. 1 spoon of chia seed. 1 spoon of oatmeal. Some milk of your choice. And then we're going to go in with some sweet, something sweet, anything of your choice. You can have honey or maple syrup or golden syrup. And here we have it, guys. Simple, easy breakfast. Thank you for watching. Bye.